What I want to show you today is the brand new Takamaz XT6 model. It's a brand new model. Incorporates the Zero ITF Plus control. And Takamaz is now integrating all of the auto-loader functionality into the FANUC control itself. So you actually program the loader movements in the FANUC control along with the X and Z axis, of course. So it's very, very nice. As I mentioned, it's completely integrated so that you can actually just program the loader movements similar to how you program the X or Z axis. It's just movement based. So it's very, very simple. You can add loader points, really whatever you want for the loader to do, and it's all integrated in. And as I mentioned, it's much faster than the older models. This one, the older models were about 8 seconds load and load. The new one, as you can see, is really fast. It's 4 seconds load and load time, so very, very quick. A little bit about the machine. The XT6 has been replacing the XL100, and it's a little bit lower. The base is a little bit lower. It's about 200 pounds heavier casting, so a little bit more rigid. Still box-way design, hand scrape diamond back way, very, very rigid machine. This one here incorporates a tailstock, so I'll talk to you a little bit about the tailstock. So the tailstock has a movable base. You can see the hydraulically movable base that is run by M-code. So you just put one M-code forward, one M-code back. You can see it's got a hydraulic actuated quill. You can also put pneumatic on that as well. Turret, 8-station static turret. You can also get this machine with a 12-station live fill turret with C-axis, or we can also get it with a 12-station static turret as well. Spindle is A25 10 horsepower spindle. And let me bring you over here and I'll show you. So this machine is equipped with in-feed and out-feed conveyor. So this is the in-feed conveyor for the blank parts. And you can see if your part diameters change, we can easily just loosen these wing nuts and move the guides in and out based on the diameter of the part. We can also get longer conveyors, and we can also add a bolt feeder here, for example, if you wanted to dump the parts in a bolt feeder and just track them down and feed them down the in-feed conveyor for blank parts. Finished parts just come down here and come down to maybe an accumulation table or a box for the finished parts are coming out over here. We get a little bit of a wide look at the machine. I want to tell you a bit about the loader as well. So again, the loader is really very fast. It's 2-jaw. Load and load. We can also pick the parts directly off the belt, as if you were picking a pencil off the belt, or we can put the parts up standing up like a Coke can, and we can use a turn device and pick the parts up off the belt in that way. Just one last thing I want to show you about the loader. Of course, you can see it's got a load hand and an unload hand. So we're going to work you through this very, very quickly. So this is just simulation, okay? But we're going to do an unload, turn, load a blank, come in with the tailstock, which you touch on the shaft, and you can see that the unloader hands open up like a butterfly, so it comes straight up. Adam will show you that here again. Watch those open up like that so it can come straight up. So this one again with the tailstock we're considering shaft work, but again you can use this machine for non-shaft work as well, just regular parts, round parts as well. So really quick before I finish, let me take you around here and show you side of the machine. So this is the tailstock here, an all big tailstock and base. This is the torque rod pump. This is the high pressure pump that is directed towards the turret. We can also have spindle through coolant if we need to do any ID cutting and get rid of chips on the ID. We can have that coolant directed through the ID or to the turret. It has a filter system here for filtering the torque rod pump. And hinge type conveyors included. Nice cruise spec style. The parts come over, the chips come over here. They come right through. We'll take it around the front again. So last look at the machine, but again, this is the brand new XT6 from Takamaz. Like 6-inch shut style. Thanks very much.